How to transfer your photos and videos to Koofr on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos and videos to Koofr on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click settings, and here you will find this one, transfer a copy of your information. Click next and then click Koofr and click next. And now just connect your Facebook with Koofr, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.